Hi, today I'm running ZTE Blade V40s and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feed on this device. So first, let's check, and we can see that the Google Discover is activated. If you want to turn it off, we should hold for a while our device screen with the finger and then switch all of these icons to the home screen settings. So just to do that, swipe with the finger to the left side and tap to home screen settings. After that, we will see here display Google Apps Watcher. It's activated now. Just to turn off, we should click once on the switcher, and now let's go back to the home screen. And now when we just swipe with the finger, we can see that we just successfully turned off the Google Discover. If you want to turn it on once again, hold it for a while, click to the home screen settings and use switcher to display Google App. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.